In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download save Canva presentation or PowerPoint file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Canva designs into a PowerPoint file you can share, present, or edit further, plus how to export other common formats like images, PDFs, and videos. Start by opening the design you want to save in Canva. This could be a presentation, a slide deck, or any multi-page design. Once your design is open, head to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is your hub for exporting, sharing links, and saving files to your computer. In the Share menu, scroll down and click More, which you'll recognize by the three dots icon. This reveals additional export options that aren't shown at the top. Under the Save section, look for Microsoft PowerPoint and select it. This will prepare your design for a PPTX download, which is the standard PowerPoint file format and works with most presentation software. Next, choose whether you want to download all pages or only specific ones. If you're sharing a draft or a subset of slides, selecting specific pages can keep the file focused and smaller in size. When your selection is set, click Done and then click Download. Canva will process your file. Larger presentations with images or animations may take a moment to render. When it's finished, the PPTX file will save to your computer, typically in your default Downloads folder. You can move it to a project folder later and rename it to keep things organized. That .pptx file can be opened in Microsoft PowerPoint and many other presentation tools that support the format. If you need different formats, you can export those just as easily. Click Share again, then select Download. Here, choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPG for images, PDF for documents, or MP4 for video. PNG and JPG are great for individual slides as images. PDFs are ideal for sharing a clean, non-editable version of your deck, and MP4 is helpful if your design includes animations or you want a video version of your presentation. Select the pages you want included, then click Download. As before, Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.